Welcome to this lesson on Lifecycle of Components in ReactJS. Lifecycle of component invoke, with the following stages. First stage is initialization, when we create a function component. Next stage is mounting, which means putting elements into the DOM. The next stage is updating, when a component is updated whenever there is a change in component's state, or props. A component is removed from the DOM, or unmounting as React likes to call it. Let's discuss each stage in detail. In initialization, or creation phase, a component is created. Both getDefaultProps and getInitialState methods are called only once, when we are rendering the component. The getInitialState method enables to set the initial state value, which is accessible inside the component via this .state. Component will mount is called before the render method is executed. It is important to note that setting the state in mounting phase will not trigger a re-rendering. The render method returns the needed component markup, which can be a single child component, or null, or false. Component will mount, and component did mount methods are called when initializing component. There are also methods that allows us to execute code relative to when a component's state or properties get updated, when receiving new props from parents, and when the state changes via this .setState method. In this phase of unmounting, React provides us only one method, component will unmount. This method is called immediately before the component is unmounted from the DOM. We have completed this topic. You may now continue to learn about categories of components in the next lesson.